Hi guys, welcome to TechRoom channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check your frame rate in a video. So what you're going to do is, if before uploading your video on YouTube, you can check your frame rate by here. Go to your video listing like this. Hi guys, welcome to TechRoom channel. Hope you're doing well. Okay, I'm gonna check this frame rate. What I'm gonna do is just clicking the right button of the mouse, then I'm going here properties, then you can see here frame rate, okay, which is 29 point something. So this is how you can check your frame rate in a video before you uploading it to YouTube. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.